Only won balls played more test matches, taken more test wickets, scored more test runs and made more terrific test memories than any other. And that ball is the Kookaburra turf ball. And just as it was over 60 years ago when the Australian Cricket Board of Control chose the turf ball for use in the 1946 Test Series, the Kookaburra turf ball is still handcrafted and hand-stitched. To begin making the ball that is now used by 8 out of 10 test-playing nations, Kookaburra sources heavy leather steer hide. The same leather is used for both the red and white balls, only the dye is different. Hand-selected, tanned, cut, and then shaped into hemispheres. The leather is then stitched to ensure it keeps its shape. Indeed, quality and consistency is paramount. Whilst the manufacturing technique has changed little over the many decades, Kookaburra invests heavily in research and development, manufacturing and testing to ensure the absolute consistency and quality of every ball. At the same time as the leather is being worked, a core of cork is tightly wound and quilted with worsted yarn. The process repeated 5 times. It's these 5 quilted layers that are at the heart and soul of every Kookaburra turf ball. The hemispheres are then hand-paired, and together with the core are measured and weighed together for consistency and quality control. Then the 2 hemispheres are closed around the quilted core and hand-stitched using the very finest of linen. It's a skill shared by only a handful, and a technique that hasn't changed since 1890. Now almost ready for play, the turf balls are treated with a nitrocellulose lacquer and shined to test match requirements. The lacquer replicates the shellac finish of the original English balls, yet it offers a far more even coating, one that slowly wears off rather than cracking or peeling. Finally, the Kookaburra balls are branded with the iconic mark that has adorned every Kookaburra turf ball used throughout the cricket-playing world before facing the final test on the pitch. From that very first Kookaburra turf ball used by Don Bradman's men, Kookaburra now manufactures over 500,000 cricket balls each year in 50 different styles. Indeed, Kookaburra Sport is the largest manufacturer of cricket balls in the world. From the hallowed turf of the Melbourne Cricket Ground and around the world, whether it's Test cricket, 2020 or Junior, Kookaburra cricket balls are the cricket balls of choice.